Hello everyone, and in this video I'll explain you how to fix lagging and freezing issues on your Realme C67. So follow the simple steps and your phone will run smoothly again. So the first good thing to do is to restart your phone. So press and hold your power button. It's right here on the side of your screen, and your volume up button simultaneously. Do this and choose your restart option. Sometimes it helps a lot and quickly resolves some temporary glitches. Alright, so the next thing is to clear our cache. To do that, you are to open up your settings, you are to find your storage. Here it is, here is your storage. Press free up space, and your phone will automatically detect cache. Now simply press clean, and as you see, the cache has been cleaned. The next good thing to do is to check software updates. So go back, scroll down to your About Phone tab. In About Your Phone tab, find your Realme UI option. Choose it. And here you'll see whether you have any. So once again, if you have any, install them because sometimes updates fix some crucial issues. Next thing is to uninstall your unnecessary apps. So go back, choose your apps section, and find apps which you are not using but they are taking up your storage. For example, you're not using Amazon. Simply press uninstall, press OK, and now your phone will breathe much easier. Alright, the next thing what we can do is to adjust our animations. So open up your settings, scroll down to your About Phone tab. Now choose your version, and here you are to choose your build number. So tap on it 7 times. As you see, we opened up our developer options, so let's go into them. Go back, find your System tab. Here you gotta find your developer options. Choose it as well. And here we're to scroll down to find our window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animation duration scale. Let's do this. Alright, here are all of them. So choose each options and set animation off, just like this. Now they are off. So also in our developer options, let's look for background process limit. Set it to no background processes or at most 2 processes to reduce your CPU load. Let's do this. So here is our background process limit. Choose no background processes or at most 2 processes, and that's it. If nothing works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. So to do that, go back into your system, find your reset options, and here you are to press erase all data. Confirm your choice by pressing erase all data. Also, a good tip, so avoid installing heavy apps if your storage is almost full. Keep at least 20% of your storage for smooth operation. To check on that, you can open up your storage and see how much of storage do you have. And basically, that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.